What are you doing there, Tigger? Huh? Tigger. Uh-huh. What you doing up there? Meow. Uh-huh. What else? And how'd you get up there? From the counter to the fridge to the cupboards. Uh-huh. What you doing? So helpless up there. Come on. Here you go. Uh-huh. What else? Can you get down? Yep, get down. There's your beads. There's your beads. Put it down. We're pretty good. Yeah.